Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is manifestation of light. You've come with a bright idea, new intuition, new intelligence. I want you to act on this. The next step is creation. Creating what's in your mind, bringing it from the 5D, the 4D into the 3D, where the rest of the world can actually appreciate it. So it's time to really honor your intellect. I see the beauty within me and your intuition and your intellect. I grow and develop my inner self in harmony and light and beauty. I keep boosting myself. I continue to believe in myself. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms to something beautiful. My intellect shines because you're a genius. And my inner light grows. Allow love to be the magnet. Let that be the leading force in your life and gratitude, because that will lead your people to you, your family, friends, your customers, your blessings. Lead with love. Continue to build whatever's coming to your mind, because I need you and the whole world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.